Hey, good morning. I am fresh-faced for you. So beautiful. I know. Well, I put all my, skin stuff on already, but I wanted to show you this cool, it's called Era Face. It's Aero Brush Foundation. There we go. Cool. I got this when I was doing makeup on set for the talent that I was doing. She requested this brand, so I had never used it before, and I do have an airbrush gun myself, but she really liked this, so I bought this in her color, and so I just have this. So every now and then I use it, but I thought it would be fun to kind of show you how it works, and yeah, it's kind of fun. The first time I used it, I just went for it, and I was like, whew. I mean, my whole face, nude. Lashes, lips, everything. Eyebrows, it's gone. Has great coverage, but just have to be careful about your hair, don't get your eyes and stuff, but yeah, it's cool. So anyways, I'm just gonna show you how it works. Shake it up. Okay, let's put this back a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna start low first, and then we'll work our way up. Gonna cover the hair. Make sure we can still see the brows. Probably ideally you don't have your eyes done yet, so Whoa. My hand is covered. I don't know if you can see the difference. A little tan. Look at my ring. So I'm just gonna let this set for a second, and I find that works best for me, so it doesn't look a little, sometimes it can look a little, I don't want to say pixely, but you know what I mean, a little bit spotty if you don't have if you don't like full on like cover yourself. Then after I let it dry a little bit, then I'll like buff it out a little bit or use some powder. So, and where'd my little guy go? Here we go. And I like to use just a little, this is what I use all the time. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye for some brightness and probably a little bit of contour. So I'm just not all one color. And I know the whole point with airbrush is like you're not supposed to touch it afterwards. It's gonna be like flawless, but for me, it just lays a little bit better if I move it around a bit. And I've got some bigger pores, so I want to make sure that they kind of get in there and get some good coverage. But yeah, my eyelashes got a little bit, so we'll just have to put some mascara on them and get them looking back again. But pretty good coverage. This is a mole. This is a zit. So I'll just put a little bit more. And actually, when I applied this for my girl, I ended up putting it on my hand first and using a stippling brush and put it on her that way. And that made sure that we didn't get it everywhere. She had on her outfit. You know, I didn't want to get it on her clothes or in her hair. So that gave me a little bit more of some security just with not using it before. So now that I've used it a few times, I feel a little bit more comfortable, but that made me feel better. And then I actually used, I think, like 2 colors just to kind of give her a little bit more face contour and stuff. Cool. So after it dries, then go in, do your blush, all your other things. But it looks nice, really dewy, pretty. Yeah. It's definitely full coverage in it. It does feel a little heavy, but if you're okay with that, then it's a great all-day wear. And if you're, if you're going to an event or something, I feel like this is great to throw in your bag. Oh, throw in your bag for, you know, if you're doing something special. So my recommendation, I wouldn't use this every day. For being an aerosol can, I feel like it might be a little wasteful with what you're able to use out of it and for the price. So definitely it's great for something that you want to look extra special for, but I probably wouldn't use it every day just because I don't need that much full coverage and I need my skin to breathe, man. So yeah, so hope that helps. Let me know what you think of this. And also this is Champagne R4, just so you know. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. All right. Have a good one. See you later.